Welcome in pharmacognosy lecture. In last lecture, we have studied the antiseptic and disinfectant drugs. In that, benzoin, mir, and neem. Okay. In today's lecture, I will start the gross anatomical study of fennel fruit. Okay. Firstly, see the synonym of fennel. Fennel of synonym is the fennel fruit and Fructus foeniculum. Okay, these are the synonym of fennel fruit. Then, biological source of fennel fruit. What is the biological source? Fennel consists of dried ripe fruits of the plant known as Foeniculum vulgare, Millers, and family Umbelliferous. Okay, Umbellifery. Okay, what is the biological source? Fennel consists of dried ripe fruits of the plant known as Foeniculum vulgare, Miller, and family is the Umbellifery. Then geographical source. It is the indigenous to Mediterranean countries and largely cultivated in Romania, Russia, Germany, France, India, and Japan. In India, it is cultivated in Gujarat, Punjab, Maharashtra, Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh, and West Bengal. Okay, these are the geographical source of fennel. It is the geographical source? It is indigenous to Mediterranean countries and largely cultivated in the Romania, Russia, Germany, France, India, and Japan. In India, it is cultivated in the Gujarat, Punjab, Maharashtra, Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh, and West Bengal. Then, cultivation collection of fennel. Fennel is cultivated by dibbling method. Then, quality fruits of the good germination rate are shown just before the spring. Free branching of the herb and specific arrangement of the leaves, that is in hair like segments. Okay, arrangement of leaves, specific arrangement of leaves means what? In hair like segment. On the stem requires plenty of the space in between two plants of rose. Then 4 to 5 seeds are put at a time in holes at a distance of 25 cm in between them. Then well drained and calcareous soil is in sunny situation is found to be favorable for cultivation of fennel. Then in India, nearly 99% of the fennel production comes from the Gujarat alone. Then the crop is kept free of weeds and provided with suitable fertilizers. When the fruits are ripe, crop is harvested and dried in a sun. Then fruits are separated by thrashing. Okay, by using thrashing, separate the fruits. Which is the cultivation collection. Firstly, fennel is cultivated by dibbing method. Then quality of the fruits of good germination rate are shown just before the spring. Then free branching of the herb and specific arrangement of the leaves, that is in here like segment. On the stem requires plenty of the space in between two plants and rows. 4 to 5 seeds are put at a time in holes at distance of 25 cm in between them. Then well drained and calcareous soil in sunny situation is found to be favorable for cultivation of fennel. Then in India, nearly 99% of the fennel production comes from the Gujarat alone. Then the crop is kept free of weeds and provided with suitable fertilizers. When the fruits are ripe, crop is harvested and dried in the sun. Fruits are separated by thrashing. These are the cultivation and collection of the fennel. Then macroscopic characters. Okay, which is the macroscopic characters? Color, odor, taste, size, shape. Okay, uh, color of fennel is the green to yellowish brown. Then odor, sweet, aromatic. Then taste of fennel is strongly aromatic. Then size of the fennel is 5 to 10 and 2 to 4 mm. Then shape is the straight and slightly curved. Size is the 5 to 10 centimeter, so 10 mm in length, and width is the 2 to 4 mm. Okay. See here, commissural surface of the mericarp of the fennel. Okay. Then next is the microscopic characters. Okay. Which is the microscopic characters of mericarp of the fennel fruit. Okay. The special features of the histological characters of the fennel are the presence of anomocytic stomata on the epidermis of pericarp and mesocarp containing lignified and reticulate parenchyma. Then parquetry arrangement of the cells on the inner epidermis of the pericarp is another features of the drug and common to all umbelliferous fruit with T. The secretory canal contains volatile oils are brown in color. Then endoderms is made up of polyhedral thick wall cell containing fixed oil and oleoron grain and minute rosette crystals of the calcium oxalate. Then trichomes and starch grains are absent. Okay, here are the mesocarp. See here mesocarp, cuticle, then epicarp, fibers, endosperm, reticulate, parenchyma, vittae. Two vittae are present in these tiers of fennel fruit in half part. Okay, then embryo, carpophore, and commercial surface. Okay, now see the microscopy of fennel fruit. Okay, here are the color diagram of the fennel fruit. The epicarp are a layer of the quadrangular two polygonal cells with a smooth cuticle. Then mesocarp, a reticulate lignified parenchyma surrounding the vascular bundles. Then vascular bundles, 5 in numbers. Then bicollateral present below each ridge, that is primary ridge. Then vittage. Okay, vittage is the schizogenous oil cells, 4 on dorsal sides, 2 on commercial surface, ventral surface, about 20 to 50 micron in maximum width. The wall are brown. Then endocarp consists of the narrow elongated cells having a parquetry arrangement, that is group of parallel cells arranged in the different directions. Then seeds, testa, in seeds testa, endosperm, raphe and carpophore are present. Single testa are the single layered yellowish brown in color. Then endosperm are the thick wall polygonal cellulosic parenchyma containing oil globules, that is fixed oil. Then oleorons grain and rosette crystals of the calcium oxalate. Then raphe, a single ridge of the vascular strand, appear in the middle of commercial surface. Then carpophores with a very thick walled sclerenchyma in 2 strands. Then chemical constituents are volatile oil 4 to 6%, anethole 50 to 60% of volatile oil. Then diphenchone is a 10% of volatile oil, and last is the 12 to 80% is the volatile, and proteins are the 14 to 22%. Then use of fennel fruit. It is used as a carminative, then aromatic, stimulant. It is also an expectorant. Pharmaceutically, it is used as a flavoring agent. Okay, these all are about the fennel drug. Okay, now remaining part we will see in next lecture. I will stop here. Thank you.